In this final video of our Simulation for Test series, we will demonstrate how to use sensor and exciter configurations to create a test analysis reference solution, TAR. We recommend you watch the two previous videos on sensor and exciter configurations first. We will select the solve sensor and the exciter configurations. Additionally, we will set up an automatic wireframe builder with default parameters. This will serve as the reduced model that can capture the effects of the whole model with sufficient accuracy. A preview indicates the wireframe model. You can then post-process the TAR solution and export it to the UNV or SC2TL format. This data offers the test engineer detailed insight into how the test is likely to behave. We hope you have enjoyed this series of videos about simulation for test.